Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can add your course study guide and lecture notes. Okay, so from here, you go to materials. You see material here. Then you go to study guide. Okay, so we can see our study guide is pending. It means that we haven't added it yet. So I'll click here. If you are lecturing more than one course, you're going to see your courses. So you have to click on it to expand it. Okay. So click here to create course guide. So here you can enter the details. Okay, or you can equally attach a file. So if you have a file, you can click here, can attach a file. Or you can enter the information or the notes here. Okay, then this is for study guide. So this is for study guide. So from here you can do that. Then for lecture notes, so you click here, then you add lecture notes, you expand it, and you can see view notes, add notes, and share YouTube video. Maybe if you have any video, you can share to your student. Okay, so we don't have any notes yet. So if you click here, you can see no lecture material yet. So we click here to add. So you select the week, okay, maybe week 1. Then when you want it to go live, okay, this is the day you want students to see it, to start seeing the notes. So I can choose today. And yeah, I choose today. So then this is the title. You can say material title, you can say demo material. Then we have the where you can enter details. So this is where you can provide details of the lecture notes. So maybe you can enter some informations. You can equally attach a file. So you can attach the lecture note file. Okay, so you can do that. So you go to location where you have the file. And you can attach that. Maybe I can attach this as the document. Okay, so once I'm done, I can say, please find the attachment. Okay, so I can now save the material. So it's saving. Okay, you can see it has already been uploaded, and we have it here. So you can equally provide a comment, and student can provide comment as well. So here, so this is it. And maybe if you have other learning resources, if you have other resources you can provide to the student in form of ebooks or audio or video, so you can upload that here. So from this drive you can upload that here. So you can see we have some materials already. You can add new ones. So you click here, then you select the file. You can enter the file title. You can say demo file or whatever. You can say if it's a video, if it's an audio, you can provide the title. Then you select the file. So okay, so you can choose video, you can choose audio, you can choose ebooks, you can choose anything. So you can even upload a zip file. So maybe if it is this, I can now upload. So you can see I've uploaded it. So we have it here. You can see the demo file. So that is how you can upload a course study guide, lecture notes, and drive. Okay, and upload files to your drive, to the course drive. Okay, so if I come back home and I come here, you can see we have the lecture notes here. So you can see the file is here. So you can equally provide a comment. Student can provide a comment. Okay, I say please leave the comment here. The comment. So something like that. So that is it. So this is how you can upload and share your lecture notes, and equally provide a course study guide, upload files to the course drive for students to see. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.